Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you create the Hearthbeat taxi pack in CapCut PC. So first you can select the white or black screen and yeah, I'm going to merge it and then select default text and change for the text. Alright, I'm sorry it's lagging. Change for the font style and font color. The font size and go to back, select blue, scroll down, select Hearthbeat again. So you can see for the final result like this. You go. Oh, you can change for the sorry change for the screen. Just select black screen and delete the white screen. Sorry. Right? Why? Right? So we got into the final that will happen in your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. I'm sorry for the